guide you through the preparation of Gotek's recipe, sheep backbone salsa pickle. To make salsa pickle, the AMS 220 cucumber and pineapple peeling machine is used. Good luck and enjoy following this recipe. Let's see a manual watermelon cutting machine. This is a sturdy tabletop device for evenly slicing unpeeled watermelons. It is a manual device suitable for unpeeled watermelons. Easy to use and clean. Made entirely of AISI 304 stainless steel. Smart, compact, and adjustable in thickness. The most modern watermelon peeler and slicer tool I've ever seen. Equipped with a 3-position rotating table, with outstanding smart improvements in their simplicity, easy and safe operation, equipped with the latest technology, achieving optimal balance between mechanics and electronics. A sturdy tabletop device for cutting pineapple rings into even slices. This is a manual device suitable for peeled and cored pineapples. This modern pineapple peeler and slicer tool surely fits in your kitchen. And next is a manual machine suitable. There was a piece of bread left on the cloth that raised the handle. Wow, the juicer is also great. Just watching the video makes me feel refreshed. With these gems, you can unleash your creativity and transform them into countless delicious dishes for your family. From hot soups, rich braised dishes, fragrant stir-fried dishes to crispy fried dishes, all can be made easily. Smooth peeling roller combined with cleaning roller system brings very high productivity. Good work like herring, mackerel, or salmon, or heavier work like cod, haddock, salmon, or deep throat. The image of a woman diligently slicing meat for family meals always makes us appreciate and love her. However, now with the advent of raw meat slicers, kitchen work has become easier and faster than ever. Products and applications, including heavy and hard-to-move items like meat, poultry, fruits, or vegetables. Ultra takes advantage of a simple drive system, proven with reliable mechanical parts, energy saving, and a sealed hygienic design that is easy to clean. This simple design eliminates the need for covers and tensioning straps, providing improved maintenance through quick installation and removal. The rotating Eco KS7 vegetable and salad dryer really looks like a washing machine, doesn't it? Do you need to produce limoncello and need lemon peels? This peel stripper is for you. If you are craving fried chicken, this video is for you. Labor challenges affecting your efficiency? Overcome production challenges easily with robotic technology and soft ripper tools. Multivac UK recently introduced the new high-speed dual-product portioning machine, RS920 Flex. If you find this sandwich unsatisfying, comment with a 0. Addressing labor shortage issues with reliable and efficient robotic automation solutions. Use these 3 machines to easily assemble up to 60 round sandwiches per hour with just one person. This is a cost-effective solution for round sandwich production with minimal manpower. An ideal solution for heat sealing